how important do you think blogging in today's time is? Because you just told us about on-page and off-page SEO as well.
Yeah.
So a part of it, I guess, comes through different blogs, right? Whether it be tech-based blogs or just random blogs. But I think blogs could be important. But I want you to tell me how exactly can blogging help a company?
Sure. So, if we take B2B as an example there, so blog basically comes in content marketing, right? It comes under the content marketing efforts. There may be multiple verticals, but content marketing is where the blogs fit in. So 93% of B2B companies have been using content marketing and especially blogs. All right. So that is so important. Wherein, as I mentioned, again, this fits back. If you connect the dots between blogging and SEO, it's the same, right? When you search for any of the queries, most of the times probably you might end up getting a blog wherein it gives a different overview about what you have been searching there. So that is one mechanism. Again, as I mentioned, it also comes under the on-page SEO part, wherein how much ever content organically you can bring the traffic to your website there to the keywords. Blogging is the most easiest way. You may have a very good service page there, but if I look up content marketing trends, all right, that is my keywords. There are many companies which use that keyword and then probably give a lot of information. So if I find a blog with content marketing trends in 2021 or content marketing trends, you should be careful in 2022. So this excites me to know, okay, there might be something interesting coming up in the next year. What are those? Various companies probably go about writing that blog and then give a detailed overview, give their thought leadership, give their expertise and show in terms of what is their take, all right, what is their point of view. So blogging has multi-dimensional effects. One, I would say, in terms of SEO. One is for a company to showcase their thought leadership or their expertise, and probably make that we have that buyer funnel again. If I have to go back there, probably to impress and score brownie points to the potential consumer, probably, and move them from the awareness to a consideration stage. So blogging typically helps one to aid their decision journey, the decision process there, and probably get the eyeballs, tell more about the services or products, and then then slowly engage the customer with other efforts. So I think that would be the first step, I would say, for many companies.